can you please say what does it mean? It's very sweet. It's delicious.
Yes, this is actually called Marokanki, although it has nothing to do with Morocco. It's a Czech Christmas sweet. It's made with a bunch of nuts. There are some raisins, apricots, and also we cover it in chocolate. You make it by mixing heavy cream and flour together, cooking it. Then you put in the sweets, the raisins, and then you bake it.
Did you cook it yourself?
Yes, I did all of them myself.
Oh my God, it's very hardworking thing. Let's introduce yourself initially. Let all our Turkmens and all the students will know which country you are, what's your name, and why did you decide to participate in this national beautiful event?
Okay, so my name is Jana. I am from Czechia. And why I've decided to participate in this event is because Czech Republic is a very small country and I don't have many people here. So I would like Turkish people or other people, everyone participating, to get to know Czechia, because since we are so small, hidden, I feel like we never get a lot of recognition, but I feel like the traditions and the food and the culture we have is still very deep. So
really, I shocked. However, you are alone here. You did everything by yourself. Really, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
You did very hardworking, very nice cooking is and a nice participation. You described us very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. So you have interview. Here is a Turkmenistan's saçak, we said. There's a Turkmen national dishes. So we invite you to have some meals there, okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you so
too.
much.
This is our national dress, as you said, okay?
Yes, I wish I could.
So thank you.
Thank you. Thanks to Bilgi Uniwersitetinde and to Azim Consulting for this beautiful event.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. Enjoy.
Azim Consulting.